What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting shoe to unbox and review. So this is a special edition PUMA shoe and it costs around like 4,500 rupees, but on online shopping sites like Flipkart or Amazon you can find it for 1,800 or 3,000 rupees. So in this video we are going to review everything in detail, and also we are going to do a small durability test in the end of the video. So stay tuned for that, and if you need more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. Let's go. First we will talk about the design of the shoe. As you can see, it is a minimalistic shoe. There is no any crazy aesthetic or any flashy things going on. It is just a minimal shoe. We have black and also a premium brown color. Both of these contrast well and looks very nice. And the best part of the shoe is the build quality. If we look at the materials used here, everything is of nice quality, even the upper material and also the outsole. And after that, one of the attracting thing about the shoe is the dual lace setup. So we do have a black lace and also a white lace, and both of these looks nice in a contrasting manner. But the problem is it is a little bit of hassle if you want to keep both of them on the same time, because it is a long lace and it is not suitable for the same time use. So you have to switch between the white lace or the black lace, or we have to make some kind of combination with both of them. But one advantage with these shoes are the small little circles in the pathways of the lace. So if we have those circles, it is easier for us to untie and also tie the lace, and it won't be very tight, but instead it will have a smooth movement. So that is an extra advantage on this shoe. And when it comes to the overall finishing of the product, it is okay, but not the best finishing, because the little bit of glue that we can see between the upper part and the outsole, and that is the only finishing problem I have seen on this shoe. Everything else is nicely done, including the stitches and also the PUMA stripe stitch on the side. Now let's talk about the comfort of the shoe. When it comes to the comfort, I would say it is just an okay shoe, because if you look at the expensive models of the PUMA, we do have soft foam series and also propel foam, and here we don't have any of those extremely comfortable footbeds. Here we only have a small and not so thick footbed, and that causes reduction in the comfort of the shoe. So if you are looking for a shoe that is both suitable for workouts and also casual use, this is not the shoe for you. But instead, this is a perfect good looking casual shoe, because after you wear it, it does have a very nice shape because of the very hard and rigid substances or materials used on the shoe. And because we have a very strong material, the flexibility and breathability is very low. On the upper side, the top material is used is a very strong and hard cloth, and that also causes for the reduced breathability of the shoe. So overall, comfort wise, I would say it is okay for a casual shoe, but not at all best for any workout or walking, running, stuff like that. After the durability test, as you can see, there is no any type of damage, because guys, it is a very good quality shoe, except the only build finishing issue is the glue that we see between the outsole and the upper material. Everything else is very nice. Now as a conclusion, I have to say that if you are looking for a nice looking casual shoe, you can go for this, but if you want something that fits for multiple purposes, you can consider some other shoes. So guys, if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and also comment down below which shoe you want to see next in our video. And thank you so much for watching the video. I'll catch you guys later. Till then, peace out.